Hi everybody, welcome back to Healthy and Easy Recipes. So today my recipe for you is sweet potato pancakes. It's a very simple recipe. All I'm using is sweet potato, 2 eggs and some olive oil. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel and chop the sweet potato. And so there you can see I've chopped up the sweet potato into small cubes. So I'm going to boil them until they're nice and soft. So I'm just adding them into the pot and covering them over with boiling water. I've also put my oven on medium heat, so we're just going to leave them to boil. So they'll probably be boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes. And so the sweet potato has been cooking for 15 minutes now, so I'm just checking to make sure that it's soft. So you can see there I'm able to put my fork through easily. So it's now nice and soft, so it's ready for mash. So I'm just going to drain the water out and then I'm going to use the fork to mash it down nice and smooth. And so there you can see I've mashed up this sweet potato nice and smoothly. So what I'm going to do next is add in the 2 eggs and mix it around. So once you have mixed up the eggs and sweet potato, then just add your oil into the pan, also doing it on a medium heat. And then we're going to fry the pancakes. And so there you see I've added in the first pancake. So we're going to let it cook on the bottom, and then once the bottom's cooked after about 3-4 minutes, then I'm going to flip it over and cook the other side. And also if you want to add extra flavour, you can add in some salt or some cinnamon or whatever flavour that you think would suit you. And so now you can see that the pancake is starting to dry on top, which means it's ready for it to flip over. So once you've flipped it over, then just let it cook on the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes. And so once the pancake is cooked on both sides, then it's ready. And so there we have our sweet potato pancakes all cooked. Nice and delicious, healthy and easy recipe. Thank you all for watching and have a nice day.